This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can freeze rows and columns inside of Google Sheets. Please make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. So I'm continuing to work on the spreadsheet that I used in the past two videos, and let's suppose that I have a bunch of people who are going to be attending some sort of banquet or something, and they might be out of town, or they might be coming from out of town. So as you can see, I have several columns of information, and I have their names. But as I'm viewing the spreadsheet, if I have to scroll, and for instance, if I want to see what time people's flights are arriving, I can't see their names. So one way to remedy that is to freeze one column. Yes, you have the ability to freeze a column so that you can scroll across the page and still see their names. So what you do is you go to View at the top of the screen, you select Freeze, and then you select Freeze one column, or you could do more. And I'm just going to freeze one. So now that this A column is frozen, I'm able to maneuver through the data while still being able to see the people's names the entire time. So as I fill in information about their hotel, or if they have a VIP ticket or whatever else I decided to make up, I can still see their name. You can do that same thing for rows as well. So I'm going to go ahead and reverse what I did here and say that I'm not going to freeze any columns. Let's suppose that I want to be able to see the information at the top of the screen while scrolling through a longer list of names. I can also freeze the rows. So I'm going to repeat that same process, but this time I'm going to select freeze one row. And now as this list gets longer, I'll be able to see the categories at the top of the page. So this is how you freeze rows and columns inside of Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel so that you can see more awesome videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.